Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line. This T-Roc is powered by a 1.5 eTSI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in the wolf grey paintwork with the black styling pack. To the side of the vehicle you find the 19-inch York alloy wheels, and to the front the IQ.LIGHT LED matrix headlamps that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this T-Roc include a set of reef rails, rear window to passenger privacy, and keyless entry. Moving into the boot, which can be opened automatically, I find the T-Roc offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a partial shelf, and shopping bag hooks. From the boot, you can also access the Towbar. Into your rear seating, I find the interior to be fitted with a stylish leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you find your vent controls with heated outer rear seat functionality and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, I find your front seats with power adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders, and storage inside the armrests. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Behind the steering wheel you find your automatic gear stick, and on top of the dashboard your heads-up display. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. You can also customise your Harman Kardon sound system. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. This T-Roc comes equipped with parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the brand new Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line that's now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please go and touch the Lafferty sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.